called bird goes home, or pond animals, or animals can move?
Pond animals.
Okay. Pond animals. Okay. Okay. Read the word. Put your finger there.
Pond.
No, look at the letter. No, look at the letter. What letter is that?
E. I. S. E. S.
No, just E.
Linking letters.
Two E's together says E. E. The word is?
E.
Yeah, read the word again. The letter? I see. How many do you see in here? You have to count. How many?
One. This is Mommy. This is a counting book.
Yes, it is. How many? Let's count.
1, 2. How many dragonflies are there?
Well, it's not dragonflies. What's the word here? It's a bee.
B.
No, what sound does a bee make?
B. B.
No, hold on. B.
B.
What letter is next? U.
I.
B.
B. G.
Yeah.
Bug.
Yeah, I see. How many bugs? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. How about the slipper and onion?
Oh, the count. Okay, all right.
1,
Yeah,
2,
start going down from there.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, what's this word here?
7.
No, is that 7 bugs?
No.
How many?
8.
So, what's this word here?
8.
Yeah, this word is 8. So, read again. You got to read it. You point.
I see 8 bugs.
Yeah.